Tesla Giga Berlin's ongoing construction is going with an optimistic progress. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Our friends from Giga Berlin area, Albrecht and Jörg, are reporting that new concrete squares are already visible at Giga Berlin. There is deep excavation going on. The tower cranes are put on railroads, and also more and more steel is coming to Giga Berlin. The construction of Tesla Giga Berlin is advancing rapidly, and now on the site an obvious result is noticeable. This week Tesla presented new documents for a planned factory near Berlin, according to the State Department of Environment. These documents differ from those presented in 2019. Major changes are the following: support by piles of some parts of the foundation. Second, reduction of water consumption by the Giga Berlin. And the third, a change in the overall design of the factory, thanks to which the space will be used better than previously planned. We're looking forward to seeing that design of the factory. As soon as we see that, we will bring it to you, and we're told that this design will be posted on the government's website, local government's website, after its approval. So please subscribe to our channel so you will not miss that report. The State Environmental Agency of Brandenburg is currently considering new documents. After that, they should be publicly displayed at the State Environmental Agency in Frankfurt Oder, in the municipalities of Grünheide and Springhagen and in the city of Erkner, and also published on the internet. This is why I'm saying that as soon as they're published, we will bring it to you so you can see them at Torque News channel. Economy Minister of Brandenburg, Jörg Steinbach, suggests that the project will be approved. It all depends on the quality of the documents submitted, Steinbach said on Wednesday at the Economic Committee of the State Parliament in Potsdam. If everything is in place, he will not rule out that something like a shell can already be seen in September. Remember, Business Insider even had a story saying that if everything goes at a revolutionary speed, Tesla Giga Berlin may be open for business at the end of 2020, at the end of this year. Now, we have been expecting Giga Berlin's first Model Y, produced at Giga Berlin, first Model Y, to roll off the assembly line in mid-2021. But Giga Berlin being open for business at the end of this year is extremely progressive, is extremely, it's I don't know, it's too good to be true or so, but the shell being ready in September, who knows, maybe a lot of progress can be done by the end of December. And also, Giga Berlin being open for business doesn't mean the first first Model Y electric crossover will roll off the assembly line by the end of December. It may mean a lot of things. Giga Berlin being open for business in December, that means people already working inside, people already preparing for the production, people already being hired. In fact, Giga Berlin is already hiring people, and you can go to their website to see what type of people they're looking to work in the future Tesla Giga factory in the heart of Europe. At the moment, a second tower crane has already appeared on the Tesla site. According to drone video from our friends, construction work is progressing rapidly. Trucks with steel often arrive on the territory to build the foundation. In addition to the construction of buildings, road construction continues. One of our friends, Jörg, had a nice video showing steel, a truck being loaded with steel coming to the foundation to build the foundation of Giga Berlin. Now, Tesla plans to begin production of Model Y electric crossover from mid-2021. But if progress continues at such a pace, then probably the production will begin ahead of the schedule. I have had a report showing how fast Tesla is progressing compared to Giga Shanghai, because in this channel we have seen a lot of people comparing the progress of Giga Shanghai with the progress and the speed of Giga Berlin. But have you seen that we don't see those comments anymore that often? Because thanks to our friend Tobias, who did a nice comparison chart, Giga Berlin until recently was 2 to 3 months ahead of Giga Shanghai in all regards, in when they signed the contract, how long it took to leveled the ground, when they started the foundation work, Tesla Giga Berlin is 2 to 3 months ahead of Giga Shanghai. But it looks like the gap of this speed is widening right now, and we may see, like Steinbach said, we may see the shell of Tesla Giga Berlin by sometimes in September.